going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Smoky Films here. You might be wondering why we're at the tuners. The 180's got a white bonnet and a bent white bonnet. Not happy with the bonnet and brand new front because I crashed it. Here's the crash.
Hey Jesse, what happened, Mr. Drifter?
I didn't turn. Well, I turned, but the car didn't. Up there, wasn't even speeding, wasn't doing anything dumb. Went to turn and it just went straight. And I was like, next minute, pole. So I crashed the car on the way home from a drift event. The car understeered, didn't turn, the road was dead, and I just went straight into the pole, cleaned it up. Anyway, got the car back to my house, pulled the motor out, assessed the damage, realised it is fixable, and so sent the car to a mate welded it back on with a new front, which took a long time to get that front. I was searching long and hard to get it. Anyway, got it, car's all back together now. Now it's going in for a new tune with a new Z32 MAF and a fuel pump, just to hopefully fix some cutting issues that it has. But other than that, the car's back, so you will be seeing a drift event in this video as well. So stay tuned to see that. Let's do it.
Jesse Grant. What's happened?
Binned 180.
Shit.
Yep.
How?
Went to Eastern Creek, Fig 8, tearing it up there all day, happy days. On the way home, just cruising, not doing anything dumb, like literally just driving home. Go to turn left at a junction, and the car doesn't turn left, and jump on the brakes, do everything I can, car straight into a bloody, like a stoplight sign. Yep. Now we're here, pulling it apart, just praying that not everything's bent.
We think we're gonna get lucky enough to get away with it and fix it, but we're gonna pull as much of the front out of it as we can today. Try and get the radio and stuff out and see how much has made it to the motor, and then we'll measure up all the chassis rails and the strut towers to make sure they haven't moved or adjusted, and we'll probably chuck it on a trailer, get it up to my mum's house where we've got a hoist, and we'll assess the rest from there and sort it out. Leg, do it.
Yep.
Oh yeah, by the way, Merry Christmas. A couple days before Christmas, what else would you want? The Smoky Films luck. Yeah, don't come near us, we'll break your cars.
Alright, so I got the front back from my mate, fixed it up all nice and straight now. Starting to bolt on all the bolt-ons like the radiator, putting the wiring back together, just trying to get this car ready for the motor that I'm planning to put in on the weekend. So, let's do it.
Brother E.
Put the box on now. Assembled all the clutch and flywheel and whatnot. Replace the rear main, so hopefully no more leaking. So, where we're at, we've managed to get the motor in, we started doing the wiring side and all the pipes and whatnot. Running into some issues with the intercooler piping at the moment. Just everything's just a little bit bent, you know. But nothing that we can't fix, you know. We're putting the gearbox together now, just trying to get that top hat on and whatnot. Bit of a mission, but hopefully this car is going to be running soon. So yeah, let's do it. Alright guys, so we've come a fair way since our last update I guess. We've got the intercooler mounted, headlights, starting to piece it together. It's looking pretty good. It's starting to look like a car now, just putting the wheels on now. You might hear Aaron struggling in the background. So pretty much we've had some troubles with this install so far. Because a lot of people have messed around with this car in the past, all the wiring is cooked. So I've had to like rewire some stuff and work out what like random stuff's doing, which has been a bit of a headache, but got it done in the end. The gearbox was a punish. The little clutch alignment tool, they've got some play on them, and so if you don't get that perfectly centered, that gearbox isn't going on. We found out that the hard way. Took a little bit, but it's on, it's in. Everything's tight. We just have to tighten up the tail shaft. One of the bolts, got to tighten up that, and then some fluids and get this thing running. Let's do it. The time has come to turn the key. Fingers crossed. Please start. You gotta.
If it starts.
Alright.
Let it idle. Will it not stay up?
Last time we started the car, engine sounded happy days, all running sweet, and then I just got Aaron to turn the wheel and the power steering just shat itself and it all spewed out onto the ground. That reminds me, I didn't fill any fluid up, so let's put some fluid into it.
We've been battling with this bonnet, trying to get it to line up, because I think Jesse bought a bonnet that's kind of ish.
Yeah, I bought a bent bonnet, I reckon.
Anyway, so that will be a later problem to fix.
update for you guys. So we got the car back from the tuners. It made 260 kilowatt, which I was not expecting. Last time I got it tuned, it made 240. So it's a bit of an upgrade, you know, can't complain. So we're at the track now at Eastern Creek. We're currently doing the figure eight. It is very wet outside. It is raining hard, as you can see. Got the windscreen wipers going hard today. My driving feels a little bit off, I guess you could say, right now, because obviously the whole front of the car's been replaced and got the car completely realigned. So I don't know, the car originally, the alignment on it was whack. It was so off, it was just wrong, and so I got used to driving like that. Now I'm driving with a decent alignment. It feels very different, but it feels like I can actually turn the car and put it where it needs to go, which is good. So pretty happy about that. But yeah, done a couple runs now. I guess I'll show you what it looks like. Let's do it. Alright, so we have finished the event on a safe note. Car is good. Car survived. Car is, thank the Lord, good and alive, which is good. Let's not have a rerun of our last journey back from Fig 8, because that ended up with, well, the start of this video. But anyway, this is a full circle. We're coming back. We're gonna drive home. We're gonna go safely. We're not gonna find a pole in Mossman. Does it sound good, Goon?
Yeah, I do like the sound of not hitting any poles.
But yeah, we'll see you guys tomorrow, and we'll wrap up the video there.